my channel. My name is Lizzie, and so today we'll be making a rose flower. I already have a previous video on this, so we'll just be running that through. I'm just showing you how to make the same rose flower in 3 layers. So the measurement I used for this, for the big one, which will be the one at the down part, is 12 centimeter, and the middle one is 9 centimeter, while the one that will be on top of it is 7 centimeter. So I just made it 4. In the previous video I used my needle and thread to tie it up, but here I just cut out the needle, and then this is another method on how you can tie your rose flower. That's if you're making this type of flower. So this is another way you can tie it. Just make sure it's tight. You cut out your needle first, and then you arrange it and tie. So I'll be making this video very short because I already have a previous video on how to make this flower. So this is just showing you another method of tying your rose flower, and also how to make a 3-layer flower. So if you're coming across my video for the first time, please take a quick pause and subscribe to this channel, like the video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to share with friends. So for the placement of the flower, you see those open parts that I pointed, that's where you place the second flower, and then the third one will be at the open space of the second one. So you just make it so it can form a very nice star shape when you are done. Then I used, this part I'm doing, you can use your gum to do it, but I decided to use needle and thread to just sew the three flowers together to have them in one piece. So you can actually use your gum to just glue it one after the other, but I decided to sew it. This actually makes it stronger. So you just sew the 3 together, just run two stitches there, and your flower is done. Now you can finish your flower with a bead or button, depending on what you have available and what you would like to use. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all my returning subscribers. You guys are super amazing, and for all my new subscribers, you're welcome to the family. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much.